Hello, today we are presenting metabolic engineering assignment. It is a group activity. So our team members are Tanuja Nadiwal, Vedana Porpan, Daya Shankar Tripathi. So our team present a research article is metabolic flux redirection from a central metabolic pathway toward a synthetic pathway using a metabolic toggle switch. So basically in this paper some keywords are using synthetic genetic circuit, metabolic flux redirection, metabolic toggle switch, synthetic biology system. So as we know, synthetic genetic circuit is engineered networks of gene linked through transcription and post-transcription. Metabolic flux redirection is the rate of turnover of molecule through a metabolic pathway. Metabolic toggle switch is capable of exhibiting two stable steady states of gene expression on and off without stable intermediate state. Synthetic biology system is a field of science that involve redesigning organism or useful purpose by engineering them to have new abilities. Now, introduction in this research paper is metabolically engineered microorganisms have been developed for the bio-based production of a variety of chemicals including solvent, polymers, pharmaceuticals and perfumes. Improved titer and yield of target bio-based permanent inactivation or unwanted genes from chromosomes by homologous recombination is commonly used. Several genes responsible for bacterial growth and cell maintenance. Deleting these genes reduces the desired product per cell but reduces the growth rate and final density. There is an alternative approach to keep the expression of genes high until adequate cell mass achieved and the cell turn off. There is an example, the production of lycopene used denatured E. coli. Another way is to produce fatty acid ester using denatured E. coli. TAT-off is the presence of tetracycline in transactivator protein, which created by fusing one protein. It is found in E. coli bacteria and induce the expression system in eukaryotic cell. To generate different target products, synthetic metabolic pathway have been designed using metabolic intermediates as precursor and built in suitable host microorganism. E. coli has been used as promising host organism for a variety of synthesis pathway, including 1,3-propanediol, acetone and isoprenoids. Now in this study, we focus on citrate synthesis citrate as a model for conditional gene expression inhibition CS in an input reaction for the TCS cycle and important for bacterial growth. GLTA gene expression was maintained at a high level during the growth phase and it turned off using a metabolic switch. This switch has been used as a novel tool to redirect metabolic flow from the central metabolic pathway in E. coli. GLTA is a galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase.
In this paper, there is some materials and methods required. Chemical and reagents, culture media and conditions, strain and plasmids, citrate synthetase assay, measurement of extracellular metabolites, measurement of intracellular metabolites. So, all chemical purchased from Sigma Aldrich. For plasmid preparation, they use E. coli strain culture using LB medium because the carbon source of E. coli in LB broth are catabolizable amino acid not sugar. Rotatory shaker flask using. For isoprene producing strain culture with M9 minimal media because M9 minimal salt based formulation that can be supplemented with various amino acid and carbon source. There are DH5 alpha Z1 E. coli strain that is versatile strain to maximize transformation efficiency used to prepare all plasmid. E. coli strain was obtained by removal the kanamycin marker using plasmid PCP20 GLTA gene knocking out from strain TA1116 was performed by P1 transduction using ZWO710 as the donor strain. LEQ was amplified from P2 as 4N-T. LEC-IL tetracycline using primer T329 and T330. Citrate synthetic assay react with substrate mixed to intermediate which subsequently react with developer to generate the colored product. The rate of color development is proportional to enzyme activity. The activity of citrate synthetase, the GLT gene product was determined by monitoring the reaction of coenzyme A with DTNB to form TNB. Extracellular glucose was quantified using a gel chromatography equipped with a flame ionization detector. As we know, GC flame ionization detect used for lipid analysis. The fermentation byproduct alpha ketoglutarate pyruvate etc. quantified on a HPLC system for organic acid analysis. Intracellular metabolites analysis was performed on HPLC system and controlled by Mass Hunter workstation software.
रिजल्ट की बात करते हैं तो इसमें देखते हैं कंट्रैक्शन ऑन द जेनेटिक ट्रगल स्विच एंड रेगुलेशन ऑफ GLT एक्सप्रेशन. सबसे पहले तो यू नो दिस ऑल बैक्टीरियल कल्चर वर ग्रोन बाय बैच फ्लास्क फर्मेंटेशन यूजिंग M9 minimal medium containing and then GLTA strain show no growth under the culture condition. However, when M9 medium was supplemented with 1% casmino acid medium, these GLTA strains show similar growth curve to build type and we are analyze this effect in this model of genetic trigger switch. A system of two manually representing gene, one localized in vicinity of origin and other located on the vicinity of the ter. Using the sanity model that account for cell growth and division, we demonstrate that sorting of the cell cycle can induce switching of this struggle to the state in which expression of the gene plays near the suppressed and the struggle stability cause that the ratio of expression of the completing gene change more than 2 order of magnitude for a two-fold chain of the doubling time. The increasing stability of these two trigger states enhance system sensitivity but alter its reactions.
Discussion. There is some discussion about the research paper is we develop a synthetic genetic circuit in E. coli as an engineered metabolic flow diverter through conditional shutdown of a target metabolic pathway Conventional metabolic engineering, these pathways are required for bacterial growth and cannot be eliminated using a gene knockout strategy. Conventional metabolic engineering is a changes cell metabolism by changing its pathway enzyme or regulatory proteins using recombinant DNA technology.
The CS activity that catalyzed the first step of the TCA cycle of TA1357 rapidly decreased in response to the addition of IPTG, results in a specific growth rate increasing of 67% compared with TA1414. This result indicator that bacterial growth under aerobic condition can be controlled through TCA cycle. Carbon flux from the TCA cycle into the acetate production pathway was regulated by a GLTA removal in TA1414 culture. Key enzyme of the glycolysis phosphofructose kinase 1 and pyruvate kinase 2 are activated by decreasing the ATP and ADP ratio and increasing intracellular ATP synthetase.
This is general strategy that can be applied to other biological products to improve metabolic flux towards synthetic metabolic pathways while minimizing negative effect on bacterial growth and cell maintenance. In the future addition turning to optimize the response at sensitive expression level of GLTA will allow further production improvements of titer and yield.
In some applications, metabolic flux analysis is an important analytical technique to quantify intracellular metabolites flux as a consequence of all the catalytic and transcriptional interaction. In system metabolic engineering has played important role of understand cellular physiology under particular conditions and predicted its metabolic capability after genetic or environmental. Two methods using optimization procedure C13 based flux analysis and constraints based flux analysis have been used generally on the basis of stoichiometry of metabolic reactions and mass balance around intracellular metabolites under